Hello guys, here is Amit Rane. In this video, we will discuss who are the different players in the market and how they regulate market, how they are interrelated to each other. So in that regards, I have prepared a presentation. There are total three players: monthly player, weekly player, and daily players. To understand the move in the market, we need to understand the psychology of all these three players. That is, we need to understand what move each player is trying to execute. SMP will help you to read this move. And basically, what we have to do, we have to try to relate these move to each of these players. Okay, we will learn about all these move later. Okay, functions of monthly player. These are the big bosses of market. They set the trend for the complete month. Whether you are a weekly based trader or daily based trader, it's very important for you to understand what is the main trend. That is the movement of monthly player. Once you are cleared with the trend of monthly player, it becomes easy for weekly and daily players to follow them. Weekly players. These players help monthly players to continue with their trend. If there is some trend reversal to be made in the trend set by monthly players, then that will be reflected in the weekly analysis first. So weekly analysis help you to book your profit. Daily players. These players help you to decide your entry point, your stop losses. Okay, so in short, if you need some mantra for success in trading, then remember one thing: follow monthly, regulate weekly, and set your trailing on daily. We will take an example of it. Apollo Hospital. Okay, so I'll go to the monthly chart. I'll set the date 2nd of September. So on the very first day itself, we get that there is positivity for the month of September in Apollo Hospital by 6.15 percentage. That means our sentiment is ready. That means sentiment set by monthly player is ready, that they want to go on the bullish side, that is on the buy side. But when to enter, that is the question. So as I had already mentioned in my presentation, that daily players are going to help us with the entry point. So what we will do, we will regulate it every day. I'll set it on daily chart, and I'll in G5 signal, I'll get the signal for buy when I have to enter. When I'll get long BO or long reversal signal in this cell, the very next morning I'll take the entry. So we will check it every day. Since I've set it on daily, I'll check it every day. Third, no signal. Fourth, no signal. Seventh, no signal. Eighth, no signal. Ninth, no signal. Every day you have to check in that particular month when you are going to get the long BO or long reversal signal in the G5 cell. 11th, no signal. 14th, no signal. 15th, no signal. 16th, okay. on 16th of September we got long BO. What does long BO? As I already mentioned in my previous video about the long BO strategy. So here on the daily basis we got confirmation that some breakout has taken place on the daily chart, right? So what we will do now, since on the daily we have got long BO signal, that means on the 17th early morning I'm going to take entry. Okay, so 17th I'll take the entry. I'll go to the chart first and I'll show it to you. This you can see in the data window sheet as well. This was the 16th when I got long BO signal. Okay, so 17th early morning at the first tick I'll take entry in Apollo Hospital, and from there I'll continue with my trend. Okay, so I have taken entry in Apollo Hospital. Now how I'll exit? Since entry is done on daily chart, but exit will be decided by weekly time frame. As I already mentioned, that weekly players help you to book your profit. Daily help you to take entry into that particular trade. Okay, so if we see, I have taken entry on the third week of September month 16, so I'll hold my position till 21st. On 21st I will see what is the weekly panchang for 21st. If it is on a positive side, I will hold my position. If it is on a negative side, I'll exit my position. Okay, so I'll go to panchang, I'll set the date as 21st and I'll set it to the weekly chart. So it's clear that even we got long BO signal, as well as there is positivity in the market, that is 0.0, it's on positive side. And if you see the probability, it's saying that 45% there is closing probability is on higher side. That means the closing of this particular week is going to be on higher side, which clearly indicates that weekly players are going to continue the trend which is set by the monthly players. I'll again come to the presentation point. See, for the weekly players, what I had mentioned, these weekly players help monthly players to continue with their trend. I meant this thing. Then since Apollo Hospital we have taken entry on daily basis, but who is going to decide whether the trend is going to continue or not? That is going to be decided by weekly. So every week of the month you have to see whether the positivity is maintained or not. In any week, if you see some negativity, you should exit your position in that particular week itself. Okay, so as such there are many examples. We won't be able to take all the examples, but you can correlate or you can cross check by yourself. In case you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section, or else you can contact me directly. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.